this, and we have the...
Oh, snap. Oh, real female riders.
Yeah, we came a long way. That's what the song said. And I can do all things. I can do all things. Yeah, I can do all.
Powamoto. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his bike, Shiva Rose, and his bike, Follow the Sky Champion on his journey as he gives back to the community and shares his inspiration with everyone on the Powamoto channel. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Hey guys, it's me, Sky Champion, the host of the show on Powamoto. And I was just on the way out to US 27 to meet the band of bikers, our solo riders, as we go into the Keys. Powamoto! Subscribe today! Thanks, Mom! Look, no hands! We are here with the band of bikers, and we're going riding today on Powamoto. Subscribe, comment, like, and share on Powamoto. We riding. It's on like Donkey Kong on Powamoto. King Mario! King Mario! Let's do it, baby! Let's do it for the community! Cho, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. You guys look great. You guys look great. Can't wait to see the footage. You guys look great. Oh, Lady Riders rock! All right, we ready? Powamoto. He got, hey, you got me on this. I owe you another one. I'll see you Bike Night Wednesday. We're doing films every Wednesday, you and me. Every Wednesday. Hey, you guys look great. Have a good time. Have a good... Presidente, I want to share the footage, please. Your editing, I want to tell you, is fire. With the South Florida Riders partnering with Powamoto, the videos are just going to get better, and we're coming for the top spot. I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, so why don't you and I get together one day and do a little stitching? Yeah, some stitching. Yeah, he knows what I'm talking. We stitching, my dog, we stitching. Oh yeah, Powamoto in the house, yeah, Powamoto in the house, yeah, Powamoto in the house, yeah. Powamoto! YouTube! Subscribe today! Subscribe! Thanks for following. They're following! Thanks for subscribing. They're subscribing! Thanks for following. They're following! Alright. Thanks, guys. This is sick. This is what I'm talking about. Boulevard M109R. And it's sick, ma. I could do a music video with this bike right here. Boom.
Yeah,
this bike right
we came a long way.
Hey, you want to prize for the best bike?
And I can do all things.
And it's on Powamoto.
Yeah, we came a long way. That's what the song say. And I can do all things. I can do all things. I can do all things. Yeah. I'm not afraid of the moment. I'm not afraid I can't hold it. I gotta show them. Gotta get up in the morning. I gotta do it for Kobe. Lately I'm zoning. Lately I know where I'm going.
Have a great time. Thanks for subscribing. Don't do a burnout in the rain. Papi!
Yeah. I'll react if I have to, but some things in the past too. Don't let them distract you, but react if you have to. I'll react if I have to, but some things in the past too. And don't let them distract you, but react if you have to. React if you have to, yeah.
Don't know the time, yeah. Just put it on, yeah. One of a kind, yeah. What's on your mind, yeah. What hard to find, yeah. Beautiful mind, yeah. Still in my prime, yeah. Just know that I'm, yeah. All night, yeah.
He's crazy as hell. She's crazy as hell. She's crazy as hell. Yeah, we having a good time on Powamoto. Drive today. The girls are out, boys.
Just drinking water and eating is probably not what you thinking. But I only been thinking, I feel like hard in the season. I know that's hard to believe in, and that's just part of the reason. I'm catching the tube because you waiting and sleeping. I feel like hard in the season. I feel like hard in the season. Yeah, 20 nights, yeah. Not for the right, yeah. 20 nights, yeah. Not for the right, yeah. I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. 20 nights, yeah.
Let's do it again. It's okay.
20 nights, yeah.
Yeah! Sick!
I can't be still inside, still inside, still inside. I can't be still
Not
inside,
today!
still inside.
Not today! Wow, that's so cool! That's cool as shit. catch some fish. I need to catch some subscribers right now on Powamoto.
I know I gotta keep going. Who's up at 5 in the morning? Come on.
We're doing a special shot? We're doing a special shot! I like that! Special shot! Alright! Alright! Special shot! Powamoto! Powamoto! Special shot! Special shot! Okay, everyone get ready. Fix your hair. Fix your hair. Fix your jacket. Yeah. She's ready. She's ready. She's ready. Hey! Powamoto! Snowflow Riders group! Yeah! Connecticut.
Bullshit. What do you guys do though?
I try to help people. I'm a missionary on my motorcycle. Are you hungry?
Yeah. Fuck that. I don't want fucking food. I want money for drugs.
What kind of drugs?
Adderall, kid. Give me the fucking money.
I'm gonna help you, okay?
Good luck. Thanks for the $10.
There you go, brother.
Yeah.
You see, making friends fast, Shiva makes friends fast. What? I like the merch. You guys got merch too? Can I bring my merch by? Can I put my merch in Pupos? Oh, my dog! Powamoto's putting merch in Pupos. You guys had fun. We had a great time. Can't wait. All right, we're here.
You guys are from Orlando. We have this, and we have.
Oh, snap. Oh, real female riders. Well, that's what we rode with today, the real female riders.
You know what people like.
Oh, Pupos, I rode Pupos. Everybody's repping, everyone's repping. What about Powamoto? Subscribe, 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 subscribe. 1,000 subscribers, we're almost there. Having fun on Powamoto. Man, how many bikes? Did you count them, dog? We got a lot, right? Like 20?